Hi, this is the City View Hotel in Yau Ma Tei, Hong Kong. This is a deluxe room. So we filmed this nung paalis na kami kaya I'm so sorry if medyo magulo. I really tried to film nung pagdating kaso sobrang pagod talaga. Anyway, this is the cabinet where you can hang your clothes. May vault sila dyan for your important documents and also the hair dryer is provided. So below is a storage where you can put your clothes and shoes. It depends on you. And the other side, dito namin nilagay yung sa aming mga coffee stations and water. Anyway, water is provided in the hotel. Libre lang. Kukuha lang sa baba. Sa labas kasi sobrang mahal. So, may mga
May
free
laman pa 'tong isa.
coffees and tea dyan. Syempre, kinuha na namin. And also, they have personal ref. So, we booked this hotel during Chinese New Year. Kaya medyo mahal siya. But pagka mga hindi naman peak season, mura lang naman dito. So this is the CR. Kompleto dito, may hot and cold shower. Also, the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash is provided. Pero, you can see, no, binila ko yung Palmolive ko talaga. So, hi! This is the full view of the room. So, malapit lang to sa MTR stations. Like, 2 minutes walk lang. Maraming establishment and kainan sa tabi-tabi. They have the
Teka
Jollibee,
lang,
McDo, KFC. So,
mamaya pa
kung may kasama kayong senior katulad namin and also kids, this is very solid talaga. So, yan lang. Thank you so much.